Hello from Morocco, or more precisely from Marrakech, which is the first stop of our travel through Morocco. So the next 2 weeks I'll be traveling through Morocco, visiting the desert and some of the beautiful cities here, and I'll try to do some streets, some cityscapes and some landscape photography here. I'm gonna take you along, show you a bit of the areas, of the landscapes, hopefully present some good photos to you. So this is gonna be exciting, especially excited for the desert part. And yeah, this is just an announcement video, so the vlogs will start next weekend or maybe in 2 weeks, depends on how fast I can edit the photos. But yeah, what I want to tell you is maybe that for this series, if you have questions about Morocco, about traveling here, about the photo locations and stuff like that, as always, just leave comments below the videos, but I'll not answer all the comments directly, but instead we'll do a Q&A video at the end, because I think many of the questions you're asking might be interesting also for others, and if I just leave the comments, yeah, those answers get lost kind of. So I think it's a good idea to make a Q&A video, and maybe I'll also do this for my upcoming travels, so always having the vlogs first and then in the end some Q&A about the travels, where you can ask stuff like, yeah, how safe is this to travel, or how safe did it feel, and about how to get to certain locations and stuff like that. So everything what you want to know, just leave a comment, and the upcoming vlogs are already under this video. I collect those and in the end make a Q&A video. But now I'm ready to start the traveling and yeah, take you along. So let's go.